Rubber is durable and can handle the wear of elements pretty well, but it can still get dirty. Light surface cleaning usually works to clean old rubber, but stronger cleaners may be needed for rubber with stains or residue. Use a duster for surface dirt, compressed air for hard to reach spots, and a vacuum for deep cleaning on rubber floors. For general cleaning, start with plain warm water or a mixture of 1/2 cup vinegar to a gallon of water. For rubber like that found on classic bike or car tires, work the warm water gently onto the surface by hand, rather than using a brush or intense cleaners, which could cause deterioration. For rubber that can be submersed, place it in a solution of warm water mixed with a squirt of liquid dish soap or laundry detergent. Let the soap loosen any stains or residue that are still on the surface by allowing your rubber item to soak for 15 minutes. After soaking, rub the rubber with a microfiber cloth or soft bristle brush to remove any residual grime. Sprinkling baking soda onto discolored rubber and scrubbing again can also help to lift stains and eliminate odors. To prevent mold, make sure to let your rubber dry completely after cleaning.